In a ceremony hosted by the United Nations Food and Agriculture Organization in Rome, Italy, Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed has been awarded the prestigious FAO Agricola Medal, according to the organization, for his vision, leadership and commitment to food security and nutrition and the pursuit of innovative solutions in wheat self-sufficiency in the context of fast-changing and challenging circumstances. The Prime Minister received the Agricola Medal in the presence of high-level delegates of various countries, representatives of international organizations, diplomatic missions in Italy and private sector representatives. For the past 5 years, Ethiopia has been making critical investments in the agricultural sector and pursuing wheat self-sufficiency endeavors, marking significant growth across major commodities.